Don't judge me. I drink White Claw. Hey Richie, wave. Tuck and roll. Oh, too fast. Oh. I think I just cut my butt cheek. All right, guys, welcome back. Today, my buddy Richie and I just drove south of Breckenridge, and we are now at Blue Lakes. We're actually gonna camp up overnight here and then go to the trailhead for Quandary Peak tomorrow. But for right now, we're just gonna try to find a campsite and just enjoy some reservoir views. Gotta have the Pringles. Fun spot. Don't judge me. I drink White Claw. All right, so we just got camp all put up and we still got plenty of daylight left. So we're pretty much just gonna hang around Blue Lakes up here, just gonna walk around and just kind of take it all in. Good night! I have gloves in my pack. Will I need them?
Probably not.
Do not know. All right, you guys, good morning. We finally made it down the road and out of our campsite at Blue Lakes. Had a really good night, camped there, and now we're over here at the Quandary Peak trailhead. We're planning on doing Quandary Peak today, and it's a 6.6 mile round trip with about 3,300 feet of vert. This is definitely one of the most popular 14ers you can do in Colorado just because of the ease of access and because of the fact that it's only about 6.5 miles long. We're hoping it's not gonna be too slushy up there today. We started a little late, it's about 8:30 right now, so we're definitely gonna need some crampons. Hopefully we don't need snowshoes, but we're definitely gonna be doing a little bit of sludging today. So we're gonna be leaving here in a few minutes. Let's get this one started. All right, we're at about 2.36 miles right now on the hike, and we're about to make our last push up to the summit, but we're gonna stop real quick and maybe think about putting some extra layers on, get a bar quick, and then make the final push. We haven't had to use crampons yet, which is awesome, but I'm thinking near the peak we're gonna have to use them for sure. But get back on the route, continuing up this trail. Got that final push to the top. Let's get it. After about an hour and 45 minutes up, finally made it to the top of Quandary Peak. And it's a view that's always worth it. Hey Richie, wave. All right guys, we just got to the peak, did a couple looks around, took in some views, and we're currently at 14,265 feet. And there's not too many people up here. Usually Quandary is really packed, but for being a weekday, we got really lucky. And for being this early in the season, as far as snow melt goes, it's still pretty good. It's definitely gonna be slushy this afternoon, so it's probably a good idea that we get down quickly. But God, these views are awesome up here. It's so fun to come back up. We're gonna head back down to the main trailhead and probably gonna do some butt sliding because there's a lot of good routes down there. So you might see a couple of that, but I think this is a good time to stop the video for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed and had a good time. And if you wanna come do Quandary Peak, hope this video helped you out planning on doing it. If you like this video and you wanna see more just like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just wanna thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. If I can slide. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Woo! Oh man, now we're cruising. Yeah! It's like he's in a kayak.
Jump.
We tried. We tried. Round 2, buckle my shoe. Woo! Tuck and roll. Woo! Oh, too fast. Woo! Oh! I think I just cut my butt cheek.
What?
I think I just cut my butt cheek on a rock, and I'm not kidding.
Yeah. Yeah. Ouch.
This shit never gets old.